it's Grace in the kitchen. I'm really excited to be with you all today, even though we're not in the studio. We're still gonna be cooking up something absolutely fabulous and amazing, and that is porcini tortellini with toasted walnuts, fresh mozzarella, and roasted tomatoes. And what I love about this dish is it's super quarantine friendly. And what does that mean? Well, we have cheese tortellini usually in the freezer, and it's an amazing ingredient to play up with a bunch of simple other ingredients that we have in the fridge. So let's get started making. So we have here some hot olive oil. It's very, very hot. I'm scared that I'm gonna burn myself. This is new equipment. So I have some shallots here that I minced up, and we're just gonna throw the shallots in. Ooh, doesn't that sound amazing? It's like the best sound ever. So we're just gonna give this a light toss. And if you could be in the room right now to smell, oh my gosh, just fabulous. So now we're gonna add just a pinch of salt. Salt really makes flavors pop. And then we have some fresh ground pepper here. And then I'm going to add the mushrooms. Now, if you don't like mushrooms, you don't need to add mushrooms. You could just do a cheese tortellini. You could even do a prosciutto tortellini, whatever kind of tortellini you want. So this is just an extra add. So we have here porcini mushroom, and we're just going to give it a nice rough dice into little slivers here. Very, very pretty. So then we're just gonna add the slivers of porcini mushroom in. And if you have another type of mushroom too, that's no problem. Add them in. Again, it's the beauty in the chef. Play with the flavors the way that you like it. That was more fun when you're just coming up with your own recipe or adding your own flair. All right, so then we're going to add some chopped walnuts here to the pan. And all I did was toast these walnuts in the oven for just a few minutes just to get them nice and crispy and add a little bit more flavor. Then I have my cheese tortellini, and I'm gonna add that. Then we're gonna add in some fresh mozzarella. And fresh mozzarella just makes everything better. It reminds me of caprese. It reminds me of being in Italy when it was warm and we weren't in quarantine. All right, gonna give it a quick toss. And then we have here some roasted cherry tomatoes. Look at how beautiful those are. This is gonna add some brightness, some acidity, something that you usually have in the fridge. Ooh, it smells just so fabulous. And then it's really ready to plate. You can add a little bit more olive oil if it looks a little bit dry, but it just smells fantastic. So I'm gonna give it a nice scoop. Make sure to get a little bit of everything. Oh my gosh, it looks fantastic. And of course, we're going to grate some cheese. I almost tried to grate it on the wrong side. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It smells amazing. And then what's better than just a little bit of fresh oregano on the top? You can sub for basil if you have that. Even if you have some dried herbs, you can put that on there. It smells so fantastic. Now let's give it a try. Oh my gosh. The acid, the crunch from the walnuts, the cheesiness, it's just fantastic. Thank you all for joining me today. I have a full mouth, but still, go to my website, tastefullygrace.com, my Instagram, tastefullygrace, and check out all the recipes there that are totally quarantine approved.